How you doing? Ralfy here. Ralfy Customs. Right, I've actually finished the XS1100 lowrider project. Excuse me, I'm a bit out of breath. This last video, I've not gone in depth about how I've put it all together. It's just a few stages of the build up and the final thing. You saw me start with a dog rough fucking basket case really. I've done all the fabrication, made and mounted everything that needs making and mounting, made things pretty, sent bits off to be powder coated, had the seat recovered, etc, etc. Now we've finally got it all together. It's behind me now, look. It's a bit up in the air because I'm just changing the rear brake pads. Yeah, the ones that run it were all right, but we want better than that because it's fucking brakes, for God's sake, you know what I mean? So anyway, I hope you enjoy. It's only a short one. It shows you it done. If you like it, please subscribe. I'll be doing that Triumph Trophy 900 triple calf racer next. So I'll do the same. I'll do a series of videos showing you what I do and how we go about making it look how it ends up. Thanks for watching. Big love everyone, and hopefully I'll catch you soon. Please enjoy. Righto, so the lump's in, as you can see from the pictures. What we've got done today, we've got the carbs on, cleaned inside and out, and we've put the fucking downpipes on with the black wrap, black fiberglass, horrible shitty itchy stuff. Don't breathe it in or get on your skin, kids. So the little collectors that are underneath, I've took a chance on them and painted them with some new super duper survive a fucking nuclear attack type, so it says, paint. So we'll see, but it's coming together quite nicely. Okie fucking dokie. So there she is in all her glory, struggling to do it with the front camera. We're gonna put some fuel in. I've had the carbs off and filled them up with a little bottle of petrol just to see if the don't overflow, if the float bowls hold petrol and everything sits all right, and it does. So we've got them on. It's all wired up and ready to rock and roll. We'll give it a good crank over with the choke out and we'll see how it goes. Nice one. Come on, girl. Okay, so as you have just seen, we started to fire it up. Just pulled the choke out. There's not even a throttle cable attached, no air filters, obviously. Couple of issues. One, we've got a little spot of oil, which is coming out of that bung there. So we're going to fit the alternator stator and cover. Hopefully, that will keep that bung nice and tight and stop it weeping. If not, we'll have to drain the oil and have it out and put new seals on it. Not a big deal. The second thing is I'd fucking overlooked that we've got an open fucking breather pipe, which is right in there, look, if you can see it. So we're going to cap that off. I'll get that cover on, cap that off, and we'll have another fucking go. Get in. Okie dokie, take two. So we've got the cover on. We've blanked off that inlet vacuum pipe. Let's give it a whirl, shall? Ooh, nearly. Come on, go. Not the happiest in the world. It's running. Oh. There you fucking go. Problem with this coil. Not sure. To address that. Now then, so here she is in all her glory. You'll see I've omitted to fit the front mudguard because I'm really not sure. The only caveat is, well, there's a couple of things. First of all, let's have a look. I want to fit a wide front tyre because they look fucking great. And the one that's on it is rather skinny. And that won't fit in the standard mudguard. Bad planning. You might have to change the front mudguard. The other thing that's doing me head in is I didn't shave off the fucking mounts, did I? So if I don't run a front mudguard, that might look a bit shitty. Anyway, there you go. So I've finally finished it. I've got the brake lines done, I've got the wiring done, I've changed all the oils, all the filters, transmission oil, rear gearbox oil, transfer case. Bled all the brakes up, made sure everything's all nice and tight and fixed properly. Side panels on, mudguard on, paintwork on. That little cover over the air filters, don't look too shabby. Wraps on the exhaust, got it running nice as well. Bit of a carburation problem, but we've sorted that now. And that's awful because of sun glare. Little headlight. We've got the high-low switch in the headlight. And then we've got ignition and the lights on down on that front panel there. Little side mount. Nice little back mudguard. I'll put some pictures up to finish the video. But I'm quite happy. I'm that happy I might fucking keep it. Because I had one, like I said, at the start of this process. When I was younger. And they're fucking alright. A bit of a beast. So I'll finish this off by thanking you all for following me. Give you a sneaky peek of the next one. Going to be a nice little calf racer. This bad boy. And I'll run a series of videos showing the process. And as I said, I'll finish this off with some nice pictures so you can see it in all its glory. Thanks for following. I hope you enjoyed what I do. I hope you like the finished thing as much as I do. And big love to you and yours. See you later.